Welcome to English Vinglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Believe in yourself. This story is very easy to understand for beginners and motivational short story. Once upon a time, 5 frogs were walking through a forest. While walking, 3 frogs fell into a big pit. Now were 3 frogs into the pit and 2 frogs were still outside the pit. The 3 frogs tried hard to come out of the pit, but it was too big and deep. It's not easy to climb out. The 2 frogs outside the pit looked inside and said, "You will never get out of this pit. It is too deep and trying is useless." Hearing this, one of the frogs in the pit thought, "They are right. This pit is too big and I will never get out." So that frog stopped trying and sat down. Now 2 frogs were still trying to climb out. The frogs outside told them again, "You are wasting your energy. You will never get out of this pit. You will have to spend your whole life here." After hearing this, one more frog in the pit gave up. He also sat down. One frog was still trying to come out. The frogs outside said to him, "Can't you hear us? The other frogs have already given up. You should stop trying to. You cannot come out of this pit." However, the last frog did not listen to them. He kept trying, and finally he came out of the pit. The frogs outside were surprised to see how he managed. The truth was that the last frog was deaf. He could not hear anything, so he did not listen to the discouraging words. He kept trying and succeeded. The moral of the story: when we try to do something good in life, many people will try to stop us. They will say negative things, but if you want to succeed, you should not listen to them. Be like the deaf frog. Don't let their words affect you. People will always talk whether you do something or not, so focus on your goals and ignore the negative comments. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.